Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to build Notion templates. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Notion account and navigate to a page that contains the content you want to reuse. Next, select all the content on that page using Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Then copy it using Ctrl+C or Command+C. Now, in order to create a template, click on the plus icon at the bottom and select Database as the type. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to the New button and select New Template. When the template editor opens, enter a name for your template so it is easy to recognize later. After that, click inside the template page and paste the content you copied earlier. Once everything is set up, close the template editor. Whenever you create a new database entry, click the drop-down next to New and select your template to instantly load the saved structure. So that's basically how you can build Notion templates. That's it for this video. Thanks.